Hi, I'm Hayden from CTN. Today we're going to share with you some valuable concepts for bringing effective PPM to your business. Whether you are evaluating PPM solutions, implementing these solutions, or looking to drive your business to the next level of PPM maturity, after watching this video, you should be able to take away some tangible and useful ideas for your own situation. This real business example is based on a large organisation renowned for innovation and leadership within their industry. This video will provide you with first-hand experience in how this particular business utilised 3 essential concepts to successfully implement their PPM solution. What I'll talk about today is just a slice from a detailed 13-page white paper, which steps out the process, challenges, key learnings, and most importantly, the business results that are being delivered. Please download the full white paper if you want to learn more. This business has seen excellent results. For example, they're gaining more value from their project spend because they choose the right projects to deliver. They've freed up resources, so they spend more time delivering and less time on administration and reporting. They have full confidence that all projects are strategically aligned. They have organisation-wide visibility of all initiatives and projects. And last but not least, they have established a framework for increasing PPM maturity across the entire organisation. Now let's talk about the 3 essential factors in this successful PPM implementation. Well, first of all, they educated and engaged key stakeholders. The business shared a presentation with key staff that introduced the basic concepts of PPM and highlighted the associated short and long-term benefits. Concepts were presented in terms of scenarios that were common to the organisation to provide context that would be meaningful to staff and easily understood by the wider business. Next, they demonstrated value and leveraged more advanced divisions. The understanding of PPM concepts and associated business benefits can often be very low within some parts of a business, particularly non-technical areas. It is within these divisions that the most resistance to change will be experienced, yet ironically, these are the parts of the business that will realise the most benefit in the quickest time. In this particular case, the business leveraged a more mature division first to demonstrate the value of PPM and the system. The business was able to use this division to highlight the benefits of effective PPM, which provided the definitive proof to other areas of the business. And finally, for the actual implementation, they used a phased approach. The business ran the implementation in a series of phases based on the maturity of the divisions and their desire for change. This step-by-step method offered a low-risk approach, which provided other divisions with a practical example of the benefits and an understanding of the change management effort required. This also meant that the subsequent phases were demand-led, as the remaining divisions could directly see the benefits and advantages that were being achieved. It is far easier to have an internal demand pulling through the PPM solution rather than trying to force it through an entire organisation. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is just an extract from a comprehensive 13-page white paper which steps through this example in extensive detail. It really is a blueprint for successful PPM implementations and a guide to developing PPM maturity. So if you want to get it right, then you need to read this document. And that's all from me. Thank you for your time.